Yo, am I that bright? Do I look good to you? Am I blowing out steam? Am I changing color? Oh man, oh watch out. Here I come. It's showtime! Hey, I'm Fish. Yeah, I could turn my light on and off, but I can't do it on and off manually. And that's the beauty of this light. The beauty of this light should have had just an off of a long press, but that defeats the purpose of you got it, the brightness button. And people see you coming and they go real slow to the traffic light. Oh man, they must want to get in the vlog. It's the fad today. We all got lights, man. If you look in the distance, the pooch got a light. You may see something red going by. See the redness? There it is. Now the light's not on me, but now it is. Look how nice and bright I am. Does it really brighten up the area? Oh yeah, let me show you what's doing that brightness. One of these little bad boys. It does a good job as well. Let me show you. Yeah, put it on the top of the camera and here I am. How does it look to you with this one? Oh man, it really gives the area beautiful brightness. So, I think it does a good job. It lights up the area, it throws light. But I'm not sure how bright it is. I gotta go hang it up on something. I'll be right back. I thought maybe the slide would do. I'm coming over here to, these things. Maybe over here. Well, look, it's right up there. I think that's pretty bright. So let me just walk out of the light, Fish. Walk out of the light. Oh, yeah. I'm going to just walk in the light. It casts about 120 degrees, if you ask me. So I'm here, and the light's on. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna walk on out of here. Man, middle's too cold to go slide down. But you get the idea. Let's walk. Oh yeah, man. Did I just go through? So here I am. Well, I can sit here, do my reviews, put my camera down, and have a nice talk. And be in the light. Are you in the light? Is the light to your liking? Oh yeah. Can you hear me? Do I need to get a mic? Do I need to go get one of those mics so you can hear me? Well, why is your face not lit? Why can't you have your face lit? Oh, there I am. Oh. Oh. Well, sometimes soft Kelvins. Well, that's what's happening here. I got a soft Kelvin on me. I'm not sure which Kelvin I chose, but you get the idea of a light. Now, this light's pretty good, and I'm not here. I'm just telling you what I like. I like how the remote control, man, it could go a great distance. I don't think I could put it down and walk away and go 1,000 feet and see if it works. Normally about 98 feet, and I went about a couple hundred feet, and it did pretty good. Well, I found the video online, and I'm going to watch it. It's a teardown, and I need to find some information because that information is kind of important. So once again, I'll do my research and I'll see what I can find or what will work for me. Don't need a giant one. It could be a real small one. As long as I can get it Probably about that big, and that'd be just fine. Don't have to have the best things in the world, they say. Well, yeah, I lubricated and used this PB blaster, man. It shot all over the place. Man, I tell you, did a good job. Really didn't need it. And I got my nuts, and I got the bolts. They're all loose now, but they're retied, and just loosen them up to make sure they could come off. And yeah, I'm going to think about an alternator. I got 14.2 volts, and that's showing that it's working, but you never know. My lights flicker in the car. They not solid, and I am definitely going to swap out my alternator and see if that fixes the parasite drawer that I may have had a long time. Alternators do go, they don't last forever. I'm not sure if alternators last forever in these cars as well, but you know, hey, it is what it is, man. Well, you know me. I said a lot, did a lot, shared a lot, talked a lot. And on that note, you have a nice, great day on this beautiful blue sky day that you see through this camera that it shows so super bright. Not as bright as this light.